This video will help you to install your software on multiple computers and how to switch between computers. You will need the following to log out of your software on one computer and install it on another: your serial number and your activation code. These are found in the packaging that came with the software. To log out on your computer, close your software. Click on the software key icon on the taskbar. Can't find your key? Here's how to find it. To find your software key, you may need to click on the arrow in the taskbar. The software key will be in the hidden area. Or you may need to click the Start menu, Artistic Digitizer 1.5, expand to see more choices, click on Software Key. This should make the icon now available in the taskbar. The Software Key dialog will look the same on Windows and Mac. The Mac will display different minimize, maximize, close buttons. Now that you've located the key, click on it. The Software Key login window will appear. Click on Log Out. Now you can install the software on another computer or computers. You must log out on one computer to use the software on another. Follow the steps as shown to log out. Go to the other computer and click on the software key. When the login window appears, input your serial number and activation code. Then select Log In. Should you require further assistance, you can contact Artistic Digitizer Tech Support at tech_support@janome-america.com.